Tyler Mayer in his fucking Pro Spec car. What's happening? Welcome to Zabel Drifts. This is a video that I didn't really want to post, but I figured I got to do it. Grassroots Round 3. Did one good practice chase lap. Need to work on some things. But on my lead, entered way too fast, just overshot the zone and slammed right into a tire wall. That was rough. I'll play the footage for you even though I don't really want to, but learn from my mistakes. Sent it too hard, damn it! How's it look? Good. I feel okay. Does it look alright? Look good over here. I lost my spoiler, I know that. Oh, did you?
I mean, your bumper's coming off.
Is it? I mean, if it's not,
we can just go back and fix anything.
I don't hear anything. I'm gonna go back to pits.
Oh, damn.
That was a good one.
I got that shit on video, bro.
We both did, wherever my phone ended up. Luckily I hit like the last tires, but oh, I saw it coming. Target fixation, dude.
As soon as I saw us going, like hit that wide at the start, I was like, oh no. Driving straight to me.
I mean, for a drift car.
It's better than my alignment.
Still drive straight.
Oh, your tail light. Yeah.
Alright, so after that, a lot of me didn't want to drift for a while. I wanted to just take some time and fix the car and all that, but after a day or so and talking to other drivers, most of them told me that stuff happens. Like you got to learn somehow. Lots of people have done the same thing into those tires. So signed up for the Tandem Mayhem / Open Drift the next weekend, the day after FD. So there's still gonna be walls and stuff on the track and a few more obstacles, but I thought it was a good idea to help me kind of train to follow your eyes, don't look at what you don't want to hit kind of thing that I'm working on now. Because yeah, after rewatching the crash, that's what happened. My eyes looked at the tires, my brain said turn right, and my hands let go of the wheel and it, floated more left into the tires. So yeah, like I said, learn from me, don't do that. And like I said, fall off the horse, get right back on the horse, and that's what I was trying to do. Got right back to the track the next weekend, and here's some footage from that.
want to get close if I don't have to.
Sweet part about coming to Open Drift the day after FD is the RTR truck is still here and they got the cars out working on them. Pretty sick. I'm gonna go check these out a little bit. Thanks for watching. Appreciate everybody who stuck around this long. Make sure you like and subscribe so you can see more. I got some quick release latches for the bumpers. Got some more rib nuts so I can put the spoiler back on. And I got a replacement pillar panel because mine flew off and they don't know what happened to that one. But got the spoiler back in one piece. Now I just got to get it mounted up. So there'll be more videos coming out soon. And yeah, we'll see you the next Open Drift and Grassroots. And I think even DriftCon After Dark is coming up. I don't know, we might sign up for that because we got lights on the car. It'll be fun to drift at night. So anyways, take it easy. Catch you in the next one. And check you later.